Hello YouTubers, my name is MR.ARCANE and मेरा चैनल है MR.ARCANE motovlogs. Okay, so मेरे पास R15 version 3 है and basically I'm from Pune only. Okay, I'm working in Pune and my hometown is Kanpur. So it's just an informative छोटा सा एक information देना चाहता था अपने बारे में brief करना चाहता था. That's all. So I own a R15 version 3. Okay, on which I'm going to ride. And I'm also going to modify my bike at home. That is something pretty unique. Like अभी तक तो किसी ने नहीं किया, मैंने तो आज तक नहीं देखा. But still, I'll show you guys like how you can modify your own bike, like from paint, from modification, from the new installations, how you can do it at your home, but do it at your own risk. Okay. Let's go. It's about 5 now. Okay. Let's go. Parking lot में
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Done. और ये खुशी देखो इस इंसान के मुंह पे.
perfectly done, sorted. Bike is in the house.
Oh my god, Mike is in the house.
So that was pretty amazing. I'm like heartbeats मेरे इतने ज़्यादा वो हो रहे थे ना कि किसी ने अगर देखा है ना. But well and good. बाइक ऊपर आ गई है as you saw. Okay, बाइक ऊपर आ चुकी है. Now you guys can check out the time lapse. Okay, मैंने कैसे बाइक को खोला. Okay, पूरा का पूरा. Okay, A to Z. Because everything is going to be paint by myself at home, okay, without any other thing, without any other like machine or something like that. So guys, अभी हो रहा है, you can see it's 10, about to 10. Okay, it's about to 10. सब कुछ हो गया. मैं इतना थक चुका हूँ. Usually I do night shift. Okay, so मैं इतना थक चुका हूँ. अभी बस मैंने सब कुछ खोल दिया है. सारे जो स्टिकर्स थे, कंप्लीट स्टिकर्स, लाइक दे आर, वो सबसे बड़ा टास्क रहता है. सबसे बड़ा टास्क रहता है कंप्लीट स्टिकर्स को निकालना. जैसे तैसे करके निकाला. अब मैं जब भी उठूँगा Then I will start with the primer, putting the primer and the rubbing part. Okay. Then I will go back to office. Then I'll come back tomorrow and do the same thing. Okay. So meanwhile, please stick around. Okay. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay. If you liked it, if you want to know more about it, please click that bell button so you'll get all our notification updates whenever I post a video. Okay.